is the Ring Video Doorbell right here, and I'm going to do an unboxing of it. It has a little thing here, just try me, so let's give it a try real quick. So I guess that's the way it looks when you've rung it, and it has a light that goes around it. I guess that's an LED there. If we open up this, we see that it comes with a level and a special tool there, a screwdriver to install it, and a special screwdriver there. There's supposed to be a special screw on it for the mount so people can't steal it. Alright, so let's see if we can open this. Looks like it's kind of a multi-level thing here. It's an interesting box. Let's just see if we can get that open here. So basically it opens like this. There were a couple of pieces of adhesive here holding that down, and there's a plastic cover right here that can be removed. And here is the doorbell device right here. And there seems to be a little place here for a USB charger. Set of instructions there. This is the mounting plate right here. You can install this either using your old doorbell if you have a wired doorbell, and you can use that to power it, or you can actually recharge this and it will warn you when it needs to be recharged. And it's supposed to stay charged for 6 months or so, I believe. There's a diode here. I'm not sure what that's for. It says something about looking at the instructions. A USB cable. We've got a drill bit. The Phillips head screwdriver and the special screwdriver right there, and a handle for it, looks like. Yep. And then some other hardware here, screws and mollies. And I think that's about it. Yep. That seems to be it. So really pretty basic stuff right here. I guess I should put this back in first. So I'll need to make sure that that's fully charged before I try to install it. Then I have another box that goes with this. This is an optional accessory. See if I can figure out how to open it. Piece of plastic there. This is a ringer that you just stick into the wall, so you can have a ringer for this. It also rings through your cell phone when you set it up. So this is optional. You have to pay extra for that. And here's the main unit right there. So that's the Ring Video Doorbell unboxing. Hope you found that useful. I'm Mungo Darkmatter, and this has been Dark Matters, and whatever you do, enjoy technology.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.